Look, the fact is that download rates are down. They are lower than ever. I don't care what niche you're in, I don't care what app or game you're selling, at what price point. It's getting harder and harder to sell just because there's more noise. The App Store is getting bigger by the day, and this is just going to get worse. There's more competition for your prospects' attention, and today the only way to cut through that is to produce a really well done, high converting app design. Period. With design, you have the ability to present what your app is about in a fraction of a second, and they can judge just like that. Either they download it or drop it. They decide in 3 seconds or less, and it all comes to your screenshot and your app design. So that is why in today's app marketplace, having a great design for your app is the most important part of your app business. Design is more important than your niche. Design is more important than your social media presence. Design is more important than your app idea. It's all about design. App developers of all shapes and sizes are going to benefit from Pablo. If you're a developer or an agency and you want to have an edge, even a shortcut to be able to produce winning designs on behalf of your clients, you'll be able to benefit widely. But I think the group that is gonna benefit the most are the indies, the entrepreneurs, the small app business owners, the people who really need great design for their apps in their business. But they either can't afford it, or maybe they have been burned by one of those agencies or designer that promised the moon, charged a ton, and then what they produced was just garbage that didn't convert. So if you're any of those folks, you're gonna really benefit from Pablo. Go ahead, take our Black Friday offer on Pablo today. Hire a professional designer now. Same discounted price every month, unlimited designs. Click the link down below. Go!